and bring these over, and then boom, that is it. That's all I have to do.
Scratch mixed it. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today we have a wig from the company Nadula hair on Amazon. It is my first time working with Nadula hair. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back. Please make sure you go and check them out, because when I tell you this wig came fresh out the box, ready to go. I'm gonna start off with the goodies. I got a wig cap, an elastic edge band. I got the little makeup brush. The lashes fell, but you did see them in the beginning of the video. The wig is 24 inches. I'm talking like full, all the way down. This wig was very, very full. And you guys know I love me a good, like, anything 22 and up, I love it. Look at this wig, y'all. They pre-plucked this wig for me. They bleached the wig for me. And they cut this wig for me. I'm surprised they didn't just put foundation on the lace for me and put it on my head, because at this point, they might as well have just did that. Now, as I'm taking it out, you guys can see that the knots are fully bleached. You do not see a knot in sight. And look at the luster and shine on that wig. I absolutely love everything about the hair. Full all the way down. I have absolutely no complaints. For the install, I did do a little bit of light layers, but nothing else. You can see those knots are all bleached. And then we have my very nice elastic band, as well as the breathable mesh cap. That is something I like to prefer in glueless wigs, just so you could put them on and take them off whenever you want, really. I love a breathable cap. And then it has that silicone lining that makes sure it does not fall or slide off of your head, so it's really not going anywhere. It's adhered without the adhesive. So yeah, I hope you guys do like features like that, because I definitely know I do. You see from the nape down, everything about the hair is just very full. This is like right after that clip. I literally just put on my makeup and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna install it fresh out the box. So I'm taking my Ebin lace tint spray, and then afterwards I set that with some powder just so it could dry faster, because I did have somewhere to go and I wanted to showcase the reality of this wig, that you can really just wear it fresh out the box. I kid you guys not, after I put that wig cap on and just did a little bit of light dusting with the powder, nothing too serious, I took the wig, I literally adjusted my elastic band off camera, and then I put the wig on my forehead. It was snug, and as you can see, I'm moving it up, so there really was no adhesive used. And right here, I'm just using a makeup sponge to kind of, add back some color onto the edge of the lace to make sure that it does not look ashy, because I like to make it darker so it blends in with the top of my forehead, because I do contour the top of my forehead. So if you wear makeup and you got a wig, that's my perfect tip. Now I'm just brushing the stray hairs away from my face. I think I am gonna go in and just cut the layers in this clip. Yeah, that's what I did. I was trying to figure out where I wanted them to go. I'm cutting some light layers. I'm really not doing too much. They told me, they were like, I think you could do this video in 5 minutes. And I'm like, 5 minutes? How good is the wig if I can do an entire install in 5 minutes? So I was like, okay, I believe you guys. I'm gonna test it out. And lo and behold, the total amount of this video is like, I think it's like 5 minutes and 15 seconds in total. Now this is like, I did speed up some of the clips, but like the actual installation process really did take about 5 or 6 minutes, I will admit. So here I am just cutting some layers on the other side. I added in like 3 sections of curls. I wasn't even generous with the curls. The hair just laid so beautifully because of the luster that it had. You could see me spraying my Fantasia heat protectant spray right here and just combing it throughout the hair, full all the way down. I was in love. And then after I curled the hair and let that lay down, that was pretty much it for the install.
Okay, so this unit is Body Wave Glueless Wear to Go wig by the company Nadula Hair. It is an Amazon wig, so you guys can find all of the details below. I absolutely adore this wig. I love the way that it is just, it's really bouncy. It's 180% density. It is HD transparent lace. The wig is glueless, so it has an elastic band, meaning you don't have to do any of that excess work if you really don't want to. Is there more, I guess? And as you can see, I'm lifting it up. It is literally glueless. I didn't use anything to adhere this wig to my head or to install it. The wig is fully glueless. And then I'm just gonna brush that back and bring these over, and then boom, that is it. That's all I have to do. If you guys want to check out more, it's in my link in the bio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.